Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving deep into logical operators. These are the rules computers use to make decisions. Before that, here is basic introduction of logical operator. Logical operators are fundamental blocks that can be used to build a decision-making capability in your code. Earlier video we have seen what is logical operator and operator in deep with example. You can find video link in description. Now let's understand the OR operator. OR means at least one condition must be true. For example, imagine a website offers free delivery if you are a premium member or your order is above 500 Indian rupees. If you are a premium member, you get free delivery. If your order is above 500 Indian rupees, you also get free delivery. And if both conditions are true, you still get free delivery. The only time you don't get free delivery is when both conditions are false. The important rule is, with OR, only one condition needs to be true. In many programming languages, OR is written as with two-time pipe operator. For example, is premium pipe and pipe order amount greater than 500? This means the customer is premium or the order amount is greater than 500 Indian rupees. Then customer will get free delivery. Let's look at truth table. It is make easy to get how conditional statements, if/else, resolve based on combinations of true or false inputs. Or truth table. True or true equals true. True or false equals true. False or true equals true. False or false equals false. With free delivery example, let's look at the possibilities. If customer is premium and the order amount is greater than 500 Indian rupees, true and true gives true. If customer is premium but order amount is less than 500 Indian rupees, true and false still give true in case of OR. Same goes to, if customer is not a premium but the order amount is greater than 500 Indian rupees, it gives true even customer is not premium, that is false and true gives true. And if you have neither, false and false gives false. So basically, if you are a premium member, you get free delivery. If your order is above 500 Indian rupees, you also get free delivery. And if both conditions are true, you still get free delivery. The only time you don't get free delivery is when both conditions are false. So remember, with OR only one condition needs to be true. In this video, we have understand logical operators in the simplest way possible, with real-life examples, and have deep walkthrough on OR operator. In next chapter, we are covering remaining operator not. So stay tuned for fun learning video. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care.